Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers right about now, people. Boy, we know say breaking news hit out them people about this ex-squad here now. Because I don't know squad this no more now, people. This ex-squad here now, my people. This Raddy here now. You know what I mean? And honestly, my people, yo, she has let down the Jamaica Constabulary Force so much. She has let down the country of Jamaica so much, my people. And yo, she let down everything. Even our own family, everybody, you understand, and me not talk the one them who did with her, do it, my people, me talk the one them who never know, say she in it, because I've seen where the grandpa come out and talk and say him cannot believe, say Shelly and really mixing them and something, my viewers and subscribers. Jvdge sees, Jvdge knows, my people, because after serving 18 years in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, my people, look where it come down to, Look where it come down to, my people. Now, you are looking up to 80 years, you know? You understand them say she can face up to 80 years in prison over there in the United States of America. Because now, people, news release now and say more things add to it, my people. When you talk about the cocoa, So when you did believe, say, I just scamming my people and this and that, my people. Jvdge sees, Jvdge knows. She was doing it, my people. She was grinding it. She was ringing it because now when them leak and media leak people from court and everything will go on people. Because me say she put on one piece of balling. Based on information that I get my people, so she put on one piece of money and balling in a courthouse over there in America. You understand? When she find out what time it is right now upon her side. Because, yo, she not think her, look like she go see back road for now, my people. Because if she a 41 now, people, and she serve 80 years in a prison over there, no 120 at that, Jvdge sees, Jvdge knows, oh my world, oh my peace, just NEWLINK. Oh, no, oh, she want krill, so. Oh, she want, You was doing it. You was earning it. But boy, look like greediness and everything just take over her, my people, and she just can't stop. Like she depend driver. Don't stop at all. So now, my people, I have an article right now, you understand, with the whole thing are going, because a lot of people want to say NEWLINK. Me say them all are with the cocoa in the NEWLINK. How much cocoa? Which part pan are them all the cocoa? Well, she have cocoa in the tuntun. She have cocoa in the belly. She have cocoa in the breast, breast brassiere. She have cocoa all over. Jvdge sees, Jvdge knows. Let me just read this thing on my people because, yo, no, sir. The Jamaica woman accused of leading a lottery scamming ring is facing up to 80 years in prison on charges of importing and intent to distribute cocaine in the United States. A South Florida grand jury indicted 42-year-old Shillian Allen yesterday. Allen reportedly expelled 90 packets of cocaine from her stomach. Jvdge. In all, Allen is accused of carrying approximately 1,350 grams. In a statement, the United States Attorney's Office of South Florida said Allen arrived at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport on flight from Montego Bay, Jamaica. An inspection by U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) reportedly revealed that Allen had a package of cocaine inside her vagina and a package of cocaine inside each of her bra cups. According to the U.S. Attorney CBP, officers took Allen to a local hospital where she expelled the 90 pellets. U.S. authorities say about 234 grams of cocaine were in Allen's vagina, about 174 grams in her bra, and about 942 grams inside her stomach. Yo, Jvdge, what a risk, people, in her belly. Just imagine if that bust up in there. Jvdge sees, Jvdge knows. At the time of her arrest, Allen was a constable employed by the Jamaica Constabulary Force for the last 18 years. The indictment charges Allen with 2 counts, importation of 500 grams of or more of cocaine, and possession with intent to distribute 500 grams or more of cocaine. If convicted, she faces up to 40 years in prison on each count. Allen was detained by U.S. officials on February 3rd. She is facing further charges for defrauding 17 elderly people across the United States of America. Approximately US $1.69 million, that's the equivalent of approximately Jamaican $250 million. Allen is accused of leading the Chilean Allen Lottery scamming organization. She's being suspended from the Jamaica Constabulary Force in Jamaica. Jvdge sees, Jvdge knows. Oh my world, oh my peace, just NEWLINK. People, she have it all over in her body, as me I tell you people. Inna the tunes, inna the bra, inna the tumok, all over me people. What she wants, so you know how much grams me people. So you know how much money them something are worth. Honestly, if she did manage people for bust off with them and my people, me I tell her say, yo, she not have to work back for the rest of her life again. You understand? Even though my viewers and subscribers, you can say she could have tapped work long time, because if she defraud, you know, how much millions of dollars my people, $250 million, I know so she have got shirt and cut you up to who and who to get them share, because you can't hear say it's a ring my people she have. You understand? Our organization, our scamming organization. But me as a people, if she manage to come somewhere and invest some certain money, but you don't know so she still being a cop. You understand? So she was a police, you know, people, but not being a police because she really want to be a police and serve and protect the Jamaican citizens them. But being a police to cover up the dirty works and the tricks that she been doing. And just to imagine people, I yes, she was a cruel one on the road, you know. Me say she not play with people on the road, you know. Me say when she hold all them boy on the road, she not play no people. She was one of the rough, toughy one them. But see it now, dog name her supper rotted. Jvdge sees, Jvdge knows attacking boss. Look there now, my people. Look there now. Where everything boil on to. Was it worth it? Then you go ball like a cow in a court over there in a USA. You go cry, beg for mercy. What kind of mercy? That a USA and them not no mercy for you. You understand? Them not have no mercy for you, no leniency, no plea. You get me? It wasn't worth it. It wasn't worth it, and you let down Jamaica. You let down the good constabulary members them. You understand I'm talking the good one them, because a lot more did them people. You know what I mean? But I just two for them thing to rise up it. But me say you let down the people and we cannot believe. After 18 years serving in the constabulary force, look where boy learn to. Look where it come down to now, my people. Now you're burning and moaning and groaning like a cow, like a bullbuck and up a conquer over there. And begging for mercy, begging for play. Jvdge sees, Jvdge knows. You not see nothing yet, you know. You know, you see when them come to the point where them say, yo, cause they don't go give the warning, you know, until where these charges can between, until what can go on and be in the fear right now. But they say when the time come and them do come so boom and charges really lick by you. You understand, and sentencing ready for go on. You bawl like a cow and you moan like a donkey, but this time you gone moan like a giraffe and bawl like a, I even know if you say hippopotamus. Jvdge sees, Jvdge knows. Look there, after being so good in the force, serving, but you never was being good enough. But as me say, to a lot of people, you was good. But people know a person say, yo, you're not playing at the street, you're not ramp, you know. But because you know what you are do. But see the now, my people, what's in the dark, must comes to light. Jvdge sees, Jvdge knows. My people, big up on yourself, you know, man. And more love and more respect and more blessings. I understand my viewers and subscribers, and thanks to the love, thanks to the support, the like, the share, the comment. Remember, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss, my people. Peace, love, respect. Be good, be great, and be safe out there. Attack them NEWLINK. Attack them NEWLINK. Peace out, my people. Enough love. Big up. Attack.